Hello, little farmers. Are you ready to meet some of the cutest animals on the farm? Let's learn their names and hear some fun facts too. Grab your boots and let's go. Meet the playful and bouncy goat. Say it with me. Goat. Goats can climb steep mountains and trees. They're amazing jumpers. Here comes the gentle and strong donkey. Let's say it. Donkey. Donkeys are super strong and smart. They remember places and friends for years. Waddle waddle. It's the feathered friend, the duck. Say it with me. Duck. Ducks have waterproof feathers that keep them dry even while swimming. Say hello to the woolly and gentle sheep. Say it loud. Sheep. Sheep have great memories and can recognize faces and voices. Just like humans. Oh, look at that fluffy friend. It's the alpaca. Say it with me. Alpaca. Alpacas have super soft fleece, even softer than sheep wool. G is for goat. Their rectangular pupils help them see a wide view of the world, even behind them. D is for donkey. They have a super loud bray that can be heard up to 1 mile away. D is for duck. They have special feet called webbed feet that help them paddle through water. S is for sheep. Their fleece keeps them warm, and we use it to make woolly clothes. A is for alpaca. They hum when they're happy, calm, or curious. Can you hum like an alpaca? Wasn't that the cutest farm adventure ever? Today you met the goat, donkey, duck, sheep, and alpaca. Which animal made you smile the most? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fuzzy farmyard fun. Bye-bye, little farmers.